Hi friends, today we all are celebrating 74th Independence Day of our country. So on this occasion, I want to share some of my views or thoughts. Here I am not sharing any imaginary or illusionary or romantic ideas. These imaginary, illusionary or romantic ideas will not lead us anywhere. So I am just stating the facts as it is. In our childhood, if you all remember, we made a pledge in our schools stating that we all love our country, we treat every religion as equal, and treat everyone as our brothers and sisters. But what is actual reality? Let us go through the reality. Are we not the persons who are fighting every day to have the domination over other caste or other religion, or to protect our caste or religion? Are we treating every person in our country as our brothers and sisters and treat men and women as equal? Are we not behaving, are we not acting according to the wishes of politicians? Unfortunately, in our country, the major national parties are creating a caste based or religious based politics. This is the unfortunate thing in our country. Are we not fighting every day to suit into a particular category in order to obtain the benefits of the government? See, the funny thing in our country is everyone want to fit in a backward category, not in a forward category. Is it good for a nation? And if we create the divisions like this, based upon caste, based upon religion, based upon language, based upon the states, is it good for a nation? Are we not electing the politicians based upon his caste, his or her caste? As he belongs to my caste, I want to vote him. As I don't want other caste to rule the nation or to rule the state, I don't vote him. This is the present attitude of the human beings in our country. Like this, we have divided into religions, we have divided into castes, we have divided into languages. Funny thing is that there are several disputes among the states of our country related to water. This is the unfortunate facts that we are observing. Let me give some lines from Telugu. దేశమును ప్రేమించుమన్నా మంచి అన్నది పెంచుమన్నా వట్టి మాటలు కట్టి పెట్టోయ్ గట్టి మేలు కలిపెట్టోయ్ దేశాభిమానము నాకు కట్టని ఒట్టి గొప్పలు చెప్పుకోకోయ్ భూమి ఏదైనాను ఒక మేలు కూర్చి జనులకు చూపబోయ్. If you really understand the depth or the meaning of these four lines, the nation or our country will not be like this. So the thing in our country is there are a lot of people who claim to be Indians but not living like Indians. This is the major disadvantage of our country. So I request all of you, please don't feel proud to be an Indian, but feel proud if you live like an Indian. These are my views. Thank you very much for listening.